Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body. Today we're going to talk about used cars. So I don't sell used cars, but we do work on, well actually all the cars we work on are used cars. Somebody already has them. If you're going to buy a used car, it's probably a good idea to have somebody like us look at it. I know most people go to their mechanic and have them checked out, and that's a great idea because we don't do that stuff. But if you ever have one and you're looking at buying a car and maybe like the bumpers are a little different color or some lights don't line up or something like that, we're happy to look at that for you to see if it's just like some minor damage that maybe has been worked on before or if something bigger could be hiding under the surface. And that's something we do free of charge. If you swing by, we can always just look at it in the parking lot and give you a quick overview. If we were going to take it in the shop, of course, we'd have to charge you to do that. But we're pretty reasonable. So if you're out shopping for used cars, feel free to call us or swing by at Johnson Auto Body.